All right, guys, good morning. We are here at Bryce Canyon, hiking Bryce Canyon. We at the sunrise, and then we're gonna head out to the other side and then come back to sunset, which is where Thor's Hammer is. So it's gonna be a few miles hike. Everyone is excited. You guys excited? No answer. There you go. Beginning of the trail, and here is canyon, Red Canyons. It's just beautiful here. So instead of going through the other side that I was telling you guys earlier, we decided to go through Thor's Hammer, and then we're gonna make our way down through the switchbacks, all the way down, which I'll show you guys in a little bit. And then from that point on, we're gonna go and go around all the way down, and then I don't know if you guys can see these, but all the way down, and then back up. If you guys can see those trails I'm pointing to, those the white line, we're gonna come through there and then back up here. So it'll probably be around 3 to 5 miles top. Yeah, this is good. It's at 10 o'clock right now, 10:18. Kids already out front waiting for us. The rest of the folks are actually out there using the restroom, and I'm just here hanging out with you guys for now. But yeah, it's so beautiful out here. The last time that we came was back in December 2019.
Not really, but okay.
It's better down there for pictures. If you guys could just wait till we get down there.
No, we were waiting.
Yeah, we told him to go down.
Huh? Yeah, don't cut it. Actually, it's not hurt.
Yeah, when we were here, it was all ice. When we were here, it was nothing but ice, and we had to slowly climbing down without our crampons too. It was crazy. It's like thick ice.
I don't know. Even I forgot to also. Man, this should go on. Hold on. I think today's a little cooler.
How many miles is this loop?
I'm guessing 3 miles.
All right, come on, let's go down. Keep going through this switchback.
Man, I wish they had handrails like that.
Watch your steps, guys. Watch your steps.
We didn't see him as
Watch your steps.
I'll just walk past the
Last time, there was so much snow, we were actually literally touching the wall. It was so slippery, we couldn't even move. Every time we take a step, we fall right back down.
what was it called?
We didn't bring those.
Like the hiking shoes, like where it has like grip, like spikes.
Yeah, we didn't bring those.
There's no alcohol around there.
Hold on.
When I roll down this, I think it'd be so much faster.
Wait for me until we get down there. Get a picture.
I'll stay at that corner and you guys go back.
What do you think? Is it better in the snow or this time?
Better than the snow.
Yeah, I say the same thing too.
I think it's some more.
Yeah. But then
We only gone 1.5 miles.
but then 你睇落堂啊 I think I prefer winter hiking here. Yeah, it's a lot easier.
No, it's not. You're gonna be sliding down.
No, you won't.
It's too hilly.
Did you guys get your shoes with the?
Look, Nathan.
We didn't even have our crampon on when we were hiking here in the wintertime. We're doing perfectly fine. It's a lot easier. It's not slippery at all. Sure, camera. Oh yeah, go up here. It's just awesome here, man. It's beautiful. Yeah.
We're making the right decision.
Yeah, we did. We have been making the right decision. We have been making the right decision all week this week.
Yeah, Bryce is nice. The weather is perfect. What?
It was a dragonfly. She panicked.
This is the shorter way.
Let's go short
I like the shorter way.
We've been waiting for almost 15 minutes.
Finally.
Dang, maybe we should.
Why don't we go this way?
Huh?
Why don't we go this way?
I mean, if you guys, it's gonna be a lot longer hike.
Yeah.
这被想了，
地方就好。
这么快就完事了。
All right.
这节目好像go back south. Yeah, we'll meet you at the car.
Queen's Garden.
Let's go to the Queen's Garden. Right here. This is where we're going right here. Sunset Point is 0.6 mile. And the Queen's Garden is 1.6 mile. Yeah, we still need to find us some time to look at the lookout, to go to the lookout, the viewpoint. We're down the bottom right now.
bottom goes back to where we came from, right?
Yeah, I know that.
Yeah, then why you guys say which way do we go?
I don't know.
There's only one way.
What's that way?
Not today. Nope, this is it.
Alright, it's my turn.
Yep, this is it. This is the last stretch right here, guys. We're going all the way up, and then that's where we're gonna be right up there. So let's go.
Yeah.
All right, we've made it. We made it back to where we started. Yeah, so it was a good hike. It's about 3 hours, 4 miles, 4.5 miles. It was hot though. This morning it was super cold, but well, it wasn't cold. I was, 68 degree, but with the wind blowing. But yeah, right now it's super hot, and we all made it down, back up, and what a great day we had. So we hope you enjoy this video. I hope you guys enjoy your time with us.